Hello students, today we are going to do the exercise of the chapter resource. The first question is, why are resources distributed unequally? Why are resources distributed unequally over the earth? अर्थ पर resources unequally distributed क्यों हैं? unequally क्यों बटे हुए हैं? So the answer is, the distribution of the resources depends upon a number of physical factors like terrain, climate, and altitude. Since these factors differ so much over the earth, the distribution of resources is unequal. Okay, students, first question complete. If you want, you can pause the video and write the answer. The second question is, what is resource conservation? What is resource conservation? Answer is, using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Okay. Why are human resources important? Why are human resources important? Answer is, people are human resources, and human resources are important because people can make the best uses of nature to create more resources, by applying knowledge, skill, and technology. By applying knowledge, skills, and technology. Okay, students. Okay. The next question is, what is sustainable development? What is sustainable development? The answer is, balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. Okay, one time. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. In other words, carefully utilizing resources so that besides meeting the present requirements is also takes care of the need of future generation is what is known as sustainable development. Okay, once more time. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. In other words, carefully utilizing resources so that besides meeting the present requirements, it also takes care of the need of future generations is what is known as sustainable development. Okay, students, and rest the chapter we have done earlier. Which one of the following does not make a substance a resource? Quantity. Which one of the following is a human made resource? Medicines to treat cancer. Biotic resources are derived from the living things. Okay, and this is the answer. Political and actual resources. B. Ubiquitous and located resources. The potential resource is actual resources, a resource whose entire quantity is not known. Actual resources are resource whose quantity is known. Okay. So the next term is not being used at present but could be used in the future. Okay. Being used in the present. Okay. being used in the present. The present level of technology is not is not advanced enough to utilize it. The present level of technology is advanced enough to utilize it. The present level of technology is advanced enough to utilize it. Okay. Example: the uranium found in Ladakh, which could be used in the future. And example: the dark solid soils of the Deccan Plateau in Maharashtra. Okay, students. So these are the differences between potential and actual resources. And now, ubiquitous resources and localized resources. A resource which is found everywhere is ubiquitous resource. Localized resource, a resource which is found only in certain places. Okay. Example of ubiquitous: the air we breathe. Example of localized: copper. Okay. These are the examples. Okay, students. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video, and do your homework and learn it. We will meet again.